Again, this is just, I guess, a small kind of rundown how to tackle the Seregious fight. If you have sushi fish scales, take those because those help a lot with the bleeding. This is the set that I'm using. Using the hammer from the Seregious monster. Three pieces of Ray Dow equipment, and 2 pieces of the what is called the that white monster with the chains in his paws. So basically focuses on having a lot of crit and basically having critical boost on the weapon. Focus level 3 slugger. Actually, yeah, it's the Soshia. Never mind, it's Soshia set. The other 2 pieces. Let's get started. Make sure you get all your buffs and everything. Just hope for the best and hopefully I don't die. I'm just an average player, so don't expect having a perfect run or anything like that. Here, you don't need the hard shell power, but I mean, I have them already made, so I'll go ahead and use them. He spots you really quick, so I usually start with the Gili mantle. He doesn't spot me when I get there. Scratches right after this. 1, 2, he might go into the air. 1, he might do another one. And then he might swipe me. Never mind, he didn't do it. 1, 2. 1, 2. Gonna do his massive attack. Just run away from him. Okay, I messed up right there. Pay attention. Okay, got killed again. Got hit again. Why? Because I messed up again. Okay, then come back. 1, 2. Punish him. branches again. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then he does his massive attack. And we have those little fellas in there, I guess, coming in to help us. Face to hit him. Punished. Here, we don't want to break the wound, so 1, 2, 3, and then we break the wound. Just to get the max damage. Fortunately, well, 1, 2. And he's tired. So this is your chance to get a lot of free hits on him. And at this point, I mean, he's dying, so you can capture it or what is it called? Just keep beating up on him. I like to keep beating him up because he gave me so much trouble at the beginning. But now that I know the fight, just
Bomb set.
not this one.
Set a bomb. Bomb set.
Bomb set. Punish him. And he's dead. That is it. I think the fastest I've done this guy is 9 minutes. And here's the equipment that I had on. Now with the improved counter for hammer, it's a lot, I guess. Hammer, I mean, I'm a primary hammer user. I love hammer before it, and I love it even more now. It's great. Alright, thanks everybody. Hopefully this helps you beat what's called Seregious.